How to delete watch history on Instagram. This easy guide shows you how to clear your viewing history for reels and videos. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Following that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now, tap on Your Activity from the menu. Moving forward, scroll down and tap on Videos You've Watched. Afterwards, you'll see a list of all reels and videos you've recently viewed. In addition to that, tap on Clear All at the top right corner. Once there, confirm by tapping Clear Watch History. Subsequently, your entire Instagram viewing history will be permanently deleted. Moreover, Instagram's algorithm will adjust recommendations based on your new viewing patterns. And that's it. If this watch history clearing guide helped you maintain your privacy, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tips, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.